Hello, friends. I'm so glad you're joining me today. Welcome to the January garden in Louisiana, where the new year brings fresh possibilities and a unique kind of beauty. While much of the country is dormant under snow or frost, here in Zone 9A, winter feels like a second spring. Our gardens are alive with color and growth, even as others rest. The air is crisp, the sun is gentle, perfect for planting, working, and simply enjoying the outdoors without the summer heat. January is a time to plan, plant, and dream of harvest to come. It's a month for setting intentions, sketching out garden beds, and choosing seeds that will thrive in the cool season. Across the world, in places like southern China, coastal Japan, and eastern Australia, gardeners are doing the same, tending winter greens, planting fruit trees, and embracing the quiet energy of the season. We're all connected by this rhythm of the seasons, sharing the hope and anticipation that comes with every seed we sow. For new gardeners, this is the best time to start. Cool weather, fewer pests, and easy-to-grow crops make winter gardening especially welcoming for beginners. All you need is a bit of space, good soil, and a few seeds. Even a small patch or a few containers can yield a surprising amount of fresh food. I'll show you how simple and rewarding a January garden can be, from planting to harvest, and how every step brings its own joy. We'll cover what to plant, how to arrange your beds for success, and explore our global gardening connections, because gardening is a universal language. My goal is to give you the confidence to start planting this month, no matter your experience level. Success is about planting the right thing at the right time, and I'll help you make those choices for your own garden. And in Zone 9A, January is the perfect time for a fresh start, a chance to reconnect with nature and nurture new life. So, grab your gloves, let's get growing. The garden is waiting, and together, we'll make this winter one to remember. Let's dive into the stars of the cool season garden leafy greens. Lettuce, kale, collards, mustard, spinach, and Swiss chard thrive in our mild winters. Loose-leaf lettuces like Black Seed Simpson are easy for beginners, while Buttercrunch offers a tender heart. Brassicas, kale, collards, mustard are tough, productive, and delicious. Try lacinato kale, Georgia Southern collards, or Florida broadleaf mustard for variety. Spinach, especially Bloomsdale long-standing, loves the cool weather. Swiss chard bright lights adds color and flavor to your garden and plate. Start these greens from seed or starter plants. Give them space, 6-8 inches for lettuce, 18 inches for larger greens. Plant now and you'll be harvesting fresh, healthy food in just weeks. These greens are the foundation of a productive winter harvest. They're easy, rewarding, and perfect for sharing. With just a little effort, you'll have a garden full of flavor and nutrition. Winter gardening in Louisiana is truly satisfying. Let's get those greens growing. Now, let's look beneath the soil, where the real magic of winter gardening happens. Root vegetables are winter's hidden gems, quietly growing sweeter as the temperatures drop. Carrots love cool soil. Try classic Danvers or the vibrant Cosmic Purple for a pop of color and extra sweetness. These varieties thrive in winter, and their flavors intensify after a light frost. Beets offer double rewards: tender, earthy roots and lush, nutritious greens that are perfect for salads or sautés. Detroit Dark Red and the candy-striped Chioggia are both beautiful and delicious, making your harvest extra special. Radishes are the quickest crop. Cherry Belle and French Breakfast mature in just a few weeks, adding a crisp, peppery crunch to any meal. They're perfect for impatient gardeners or those new to growing food. Turnips, especially the classic purple top white globe, are southern favorites, offering both hearty roots and tender greens for stews and sautés. Sow root veggies directly in loose, rock-free soil. They don't like transplanting and need space to grow straight and strong. Take time to remove stones and break up clumps for the best results. Keep the soil moist for even growth, especially as seeds sprout and roots begin to form. Consistent moisture helps prevent cracking and ensures tender harvests. These crops are easy, fast, and perfect for new gardeners. They're a wonderful way to introduce kids and beginners to the joys of growing food. Root vegetables bring color, nutrition, and bold flavor to your winter table, brightening up meals during the colder months. Kids love pulling up surprises from the earth, discovering the hidden treasures they've helped grow. With just a little care and attention, you'll enjoy sweet, earthy harvests all season long, straight from your own backyard. Root crops are a must for any January garden, thriving in the cool weather and rewarding you with abundance. So let's get those seeds in the ground. The rewards come quickly, and every harvest is a celebration of winter's quiet bounty. Happy digging. The allium family, onions, garlic, leeks, and shallots, are kitchen essentials, bringing depth and flavor to nearly every savory dish you can imagine. These humble bulbs and stalks are the foundation of countless recipes, from hearty stews to fresh salads, and their versatility makes them a must-have for any home gardener. Alliums thrive when planted in January, taking advantage of the cool weather to establish strong roots before the heat of summer arrives. This early start gives them a head start on the growing season. Start onions from sets for the best results. Choose short-day varieties like Texas 1015Y or Red Creole for our region, as these are specially adapted to our daylight hours and climate. Garlic is simple to grow. Just plant individual cloves, pointy side up, a couple inches deep. Each clove holds the promise of a full, flavorful head by harvest time. Soft-neck types like California Early do best here, producing reliable bulbs even in our mild winters. With patience, each clove transforms into a full head by early summer, ready to be pulled from the earth and enjoyed in your favorite dishes. Leeks, with their mild, sweet flavor, are planted as seedlings. They're perfect for soups, sautés, and even grilling. Mound soil around their stems as they grow to keep them tender and white. This process, called blanching, is the secret to the best leeks. American Flag is a reliable leek variety, known for its thick stems and excellent flavor. Shallots, planted like garlic, multiply into clusters. French Gray is a gourmet favorite, prized by chefs for its rich, complex taste. Group alliums together in a sunny bed for easy care and harvest. Their similar needs make them ideal companions in the garden. They need consistent water and plenty of sun, making them perfect for gardeners who want a low-fuss, high-yield crop. Imagine pulling fresh onions and garlic for your dinner. Nothing beats the taste of homegrown alliums, still warm from the sun. Alliums are low maintenance and high reward, often outcompeting weeds and requiring little attention once established. Plant them now for a flavorful harvest in spring and summer, and enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own kitchen staples. They're the backbone of countless recipes, adding depth and aroma to everything from stir-fries to roasts. With a little planning, your kitchen will never be without fresh flavor, and you'll always have the building blocks for delicious meals at your fingertips. Alliums are a must for every garden. Let's get them growing and enjoy the rewards all season long. No garden is complete without herbs. They add fragrance and elevate every meal. Parsley, both flat leaf and curly, thrives in winter and is a kitchen staple. Cilantro loves cool weather. Plant now for lush leaves and a long harvest. If it flowers, enjoy the blooms and collect coriander seeds. Mediterranean herbs, rosemary, thyme, oregano, are tough and thrive in well-drained soil or pots. Buy small plants and keep them in sunny spots. Mint is best grown in containers to keep it from taking over. Snip leaves for tea or desserts. Herbs in pots are handy for quick snipping and add beauty to patios. These perennials return year after year, making your garden a true culinary paradise. Fresh herbs transform your cooking and your garden. Start with a few favorites and expand as you go. Your senses and your recipes will thank you. January is prime time to plant fruit trees and berries, an investment that pays off for years. Citrus trees like Meyer, lemon, and Owari Satsuma thrive here, offering fragrant blossoms and sweet fruit. Figs, such as Celeste and LSU Purple, are easy, productive, and require little care once established. Blueberries need rabbit-eye varieties. Plant at least 2 types for pollination. Premiere and Climax are reliable. Thornless blackberries like Arapaho and Navajo are easy to grow and harvest. Plant trees and berries while dormant, so roots establish before summer heat. Place them along fences or yard edges to save space. These plants bring beauty, shade, and delicious harvests. Fruit trees are a legacy for your garden and family. Berries provide buckets of sweet rewards. Start now for years of enjoyment. The best time to plant is today. Let's talk layout. Good planning makes gardening easy and productive. You don't need much space. A sunny backyard corner is enough. Raised beds offer great drainage and soil control. Build or buy as needed. Dedicate 1 bed to leafy greens, another to root veggies, and a third to alliums. Grouping plants with similar needs simplifies care and boosts yields. Herbs thrive in pots. Keep them near the kitchen for convenience and control. Mint always goes in a container to prevent spreading. Plant fruit trees and berries along the yard's edge so they don't shade your veggies. This system keeps your garden organized, beautiful, and productive. Simple planning leads to big harvests. Start with a plan and success will follow. As we plant in Louisiana, gardeners in southern China, Japan, and Australia are doing the same. They grow cool season greens, root veggies, and citrus, just like us. In China, bok choy and daikon thrive. In Japan, komatsuna and yuzu. In Australia, carrots and figs. Our gardens mirror each other, connected by climate and season. Across continents, we share the joy of planting and harvesting. Gardening unites us in a global rhythm. As tempting as it is, January isn't the time to plant tomatoes, peppers, or eggplants in ground. However, you can start seeds indoors now. These summer crops need warm soil and long days. Planting now risks frost damage and stunted growth. If you do decide to plant now, they require frost protection. Otherwise, wait until after the last frost for these heat lovers. Cucumbers, squash, and okra, however, absolutely do need real warmth to thrive. Ignore early store displays. Patience pays off. Focus on cool season crops now for a successful harvest. Gardening is about timing and working with the seasons. Your patience will be rewarded with strong, healthy summer plants. January in Louisiana is your invitation to start gardening. The weather is perfect, pests are few, and the crops are forgiving. Start small. A few pots or a single raised bed is enough. Success comes from planting the right crops at the right time. Choose winter-loving greens, roots, and alliums for easy wins. Imagine harvesting your own salad or pulling a sweet carrot from the soil. Gardening connects you to your food, the seasons, and gardeners worldwide. Your garden will bring peace, discovery, and delicious rewards. Don't worry about mistakes. Every gardener learns by doing. Just begin. Plant a seed and watch it grow. This is your season to shine. Wishing you a joyful, productive January. You've got this.